Kopf, dass die das so nah fliegen und so macht. Ne? Ja. Das muss man hier lernen. Naja, gut. Gut, was soll ich Sie noch erklären? Machst du hier rollende Start, ne? Fährt ihr hier runter und Kurve drehen und sofort starten.
Wir rollen auf und starten dann runter.
Ja, aber du steht nicht, ne? Du rollst so um die Ecke hier und dann machst du so schnell wie möglich rum hier und dann bin ich
Mit dem ist kein Problem, wir fliegen da.
Ja, mit Weg, so ungefähr halbwegs. Ne? Jetzt fliegen und schubst ein bisschen, ne?
Das ist kein Problem.
Und dann muss ich ja viel erklären wegen die Krankzügen da. Ja.
So I'm gonna climb?
Yeah. And you cannot step on the wings.
No.
Don't touch the wings. Here, they're strong, but here, look.
They're not strong.
That's like a drum. You cannot step. And don't step here. You have this step, and you have this, and here.
To hold.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And then you put your foot for this.
Yeah.
And you go up, and then you put a foot here, like this.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And then you can maybe hold both sides or something, and then you have to get the other foot in.
Yeah.
Ich weiß nicht, wie macht ihr das, wenn ihr reinsteigt? So ähnlich,
ja,
ne?
ja, genau.
Aber sitzt du dich dann hin und dann die letzte Bein rein oder hältst du beide Seiten fest und dann das Knopf drücken und fragen, wie komme ich zurück?
That I don't not touch.
Do not touch the top button. No.
Okay.
And
What?
you must keep clear of the pedals. You can't reach them.
I cannot reach.
You cannot reach them like they are there. Okay. Okay. Sie kann das nicht anfassen, hier die Pedale. Ne?
Ja.
Deine sind zu kurz.
Okay. I
Gut.
cannot reach.
Yeah. And here you have gas, throttle for the motor, fuel, and you have also the air brake system. Hast du? Hier, nee, da hast du ja hier so eine Klappluftbremse hier, ne? Aber das braucht sie denn nicht, ne? This here is the air brake, but it will not disturb you. Only when you come back for landing, this one will be like this, but he will move it like this.
Yeah.
And it will go all the way up to here. So don't put your leg like this when he do it. That will hurt your leg.
Oh my God.
Okay?
Yeah.
He will probably say to you, take your leg away.
Yeah.
And at all times, sit like this, so that this is free.
Yeah.
This have to
Like
be
that.
free. Yeah. And only in the landing, when he take this, he will push your leg like this and take this one. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. And then he have some switches everywhere and,
Yeah, okay.
stuff, and the radio.
Nice.
And
Yeah. Good.
good. And you will have a headset,
Oh.
which you
yeah.
have to put. The microphone you need to put near the mouth.
Yeah.
You have something here. No? Put the microphone near your mouth, but you speak English, so he don't listen anyway.
Okay.
Hvis du sprichst Englisch, dann hörst du da sowieso nicht so. Ne?
so.
Ja, ich habe dir erklärt, dass du das Mikrofon nah haben, ne? Was zu sagen, aber du verstehst das eh nicht. So, gut.
Good.
Und was noch?
This is
Ja,
the.
hier, Sicherheitsanweisungen, ne? Here, if you take this. This one here, like that, like this, okay? And are you sitting comfortable? You have to be in the correct position. Yeah, close the trousers. It's flying, it's not interesting.
No, it's not. Yeah.
Okay. And then we have here, this one here. Take the telephone away.
den Dachstein drüber, über die Wolken.
Über die Wolken.
Ja,
Wolken unten und Durchblick da auf den Dachstein.
genau.
Wie hoch ist Dachstein oben?
2797.
Das ist wie viel? 8000 Fuß. Die ersten sind frei und dann kostet es.
So it's time for cleaning the airplane. These two captains are cleaning the airplane. Yeah. Is this how you clean your airplane too?
Yes. Always.
Always?
Yes.
That was nice.
And if you do it like within short time after landing,
Yeah.
you just make it wet, wait 2 minutes,
Yeah.
and then you can easily take it off. Wait half an hour and you have 1 hour extra work.
What happens if you don't clean it?
If I don't clean it, let's say you started and you were already flying here.
Yeah.
If with these flies on it, you will start 10 meters later. And if it's full of flies, you will move about 100 meters longer before you can fly.
Oh,
That's
okay.
how much difference it makes. It makes a big difference. And if you want to go on top of the mountain, maybe you fly 3-4 circles to get up. If you have flies on the wings, you will make 5 or 6 circles before you get up.
Oh.
And the speed can maybe be 10 kilometers less per hour if you have flies in the wings.
So that's why it's important to clean it immediately.
So. Hast du schon hier Flügel gemacht, alle?
Bitte?
Nächste Flügel ist schon fertig, oder?
Ist schon fertig.
Gut.
Viele Mücken waren es eh nicht heute.
Ah? Nee, da war nicht viel, ne?
In der Höhe gibt es noch viel.
So the airplane is parked.
Så skal Jessica ud og flyve en tur op til Dachstein, det største bjerg her i området. Bliver der lavet motorprøve og prøve af roer og resten af flyets systemer, inden at der flyves. Engine check and control surface check and all systems check for the airplane before the departure. So, rolling for the runway and full gas. Departing Mautendorf, Lima, Oscar, Sierra, Mike, and Jessica is waving her hand, so she's still happy. That was fast. It flies so good, this little airplane called a Motorfalke Scheibe 25. And these mountains are so big, it's crazy. This is the highest airfield in all of Austria, 3,700 feet. and therefore one of the most difficult airfields to fly, because you need to have a light airplane and a lot of power, otherwise you cannot fly here due to the thin air. So they're crossing over this airfield. They got a lot of height, and they will leave now through the mountains over here. They're just under the clouds. If you look very good, you can see them here under the clouds there in the top of the video. And they're leaving, still climbing, because they have to go quite high to get to Darkstein. So Jessica is coming back. Here we have the airplane. I'll try to zoom a little. Hello Jessica, welcome back. Interesting to see if she made the flight or if she gets sick. Hope she didn't get sick, and I hope she liked it, because then the future will bring a lot more of this. This is my big hobby anyway, so. Aha. Nice. Well, she is still a little brown and not all white. Looks good so far. And she is filming, so she is not only holding the back. Nah, Jessica? Are you alive? Ah, she's even laughing, yeah? That's nice.
Så lander han.
Nej, der er langt endnu. Nu kommer den ned. Nu er den nede i en højde, hvor den vil blive ved med at flyve.
Okay.
Hvis ikke han svinger den til at lande, så bliver den ved med at flyve den højde. Kan du se det?
Han kan stadigvæk flyve.
Ja. Han flyver helt herop, for den skal jo ind i en hangar herovre. Super flot landing.
Glide plane.
Ja, det er en glider.
Glider plane.
Ja. Prøv at se, så holder han balancen på den, til den står helt stille. Hvor er det flot.
Det er så flot.